In front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose system, tap on languages and input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. From here click on theme and now scroll down. Over here you can click on show more, and this way see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and save your keyboard by choosing apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply by tapping on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on done, manage keyboarders, and choose apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!